Okay, students, welcome back to our new lesson. I believe that you are doing well. So, in our today's lesson, we are going to see how to solve the word problems involving lengths. Word problems involving length. Okay? Now, to solve the word problems, number one, you need to read the question. Okay? Read the question, understand it, then plan how to solve by getting the keyword and the mathematical operation. Discover, do you need to add or you need to subtract? Then after that, solve the problem. Get the number sentence and then get the answer. After that, check if your answer is correct. Let's go and get example number one. Jane's pen is 8 centimeters long. Nin's pen is 11 centimeters long. What is the total length of the two pens? Okay, Jane's pen is 8 centimeters long. Maybe this is for Jane. And then this is for Nin. And this is 8 centimeters. And this is maybe 11 centimeters. Now, what is the total length? Okay. What is the question? You know, what do we need? What do we have? Okay. Now, what is the question here? The question is, what is the total length of the two pens? Let's write it here. What is the total length of the two pens? This is what we need. What you need is what we call the question. What is the total length of the two pens? Given information, what do we have then? Yes, what do we have? What we have helps us to answer the question. So we know that Jane's pen is 8 centimeters long. We also know that Nin's pen is 11 centimeters long. Yes, so that's what we know. Next, let us plan. How are we going to answer this? We know the question and we can see what we have. We need to know the key word. What is the key word here? The key word is total. Total. Okay. Now, then if the key word is total, what is the mathematical operation? How do we get the total? We get the total when we add. So the mathematical operation will be addition. And this is the addition sign. Okay. What is the number sentence? The number sentence will be 8 plus 11. 8 plus 11 equals, yes. So now we have got 8 pens plus 11 pens. So we will have 19 pens. Okay, Now let us check if our answer is correct. You can see that 19 is bigger than 8 and 11. The sum, or what we call the total, must be bigger than these two numbers. So 19 is bigger than 8 and 11. Okay, so our answer is reasonable. Okay, so therefore, the total length of the two pens is 19 centimeters long. Okay, now I hope you understand the steps that you should go through to solve any word problem. Number one, read, understand the problem. When you read, you get to know what you were asked. And two, you get to know what information you have. Then after reading and understanding, you plan. How do you plan? Get the total, which is the key word. Okay. Know the mathematical operation, which is addition. Then solve the problem. Get the number sentence and answer the question. Check if your answer is correct. That's all. Now, let's have another example. A bench is 2 meters long. A bench is 2 meters long. A table is 3 meters long. What is the total? Look at this word, total. Length of the bench and the table. So since we are saying total, remember we get total when we add. So we have 2 meters plus 3 meters. And this will give us 5 meters. Okay, so the total length of the bench and the table is 5 meters. Question 3. The length of a blue ribbon is 18 centimeters long. The length of the red ribbon is 12 centimeters long. How much longer is the blue ribbon than the red ribbon? How much longer? Remember, we did that when we were comparing. Okay, now to know how much longer, you'll get 18 minus 12, so that we get 6 centimeters. Okay, so the blue ribbon is 6 centimeters longer than the red ribbon. Okay, and now we look at example number 4. Rope B is 15 meters long. Rope A is 3 meters shorter than rope B. What is the length of rope A? Now, rope B is like from here up to here, we have got 15 meters. And rope A is 3 meters shorter than rope B, like from here up to here. We have got there 3 meters. So what about from here up to here? How many meters do we have? So you see that to know the length of rope A, we have to get 15 minus 3, so that we get 12 meters. So the length of rope A is 12 meters. Okay. Now let's do some practice. Okay. City has 2 pencils. The first pencil is 11 centimeters long. The second pencil is 8 centimeters long. What is the total length of the two pencils? Total. So we must use plus. So 11 plus 8, we get 19. So the total length of the two pencils is 19 centimeters. Okay. Question 2. Peter had a rope of 14 meters long. Then he cut out 3 meters long. Cut. When you cut, you make something smaller. What is the length of the rope left? So when we say left, to know what has been left, we have to use minus. Okay, so we have to say 14 minus 3, so that we get 11. So the length of the rope left was 11 meters. Okay. Practice number 3. Ravi cut a bamboo into 2 tubes. The first tube was 10 centimeters. The second tube was 7 centimeters. What was the original length of the bamboo? Okay, so it's like there was a bamboo like this, but we don't know how long is it. Now, it was cut into 2 tubes like this. One tube was 10 centimeters. Another tube is 7 centimeters. So what is the original length? So you see that will be 7 plus 10, all 10 plus 7, which is 17. So the original length of the bamboo was 17 centimeters. So I believe that you have understood. Now, please go to page 38, to page 39. You do the exercise. So let us stop here and we will meet again next time. Goodbye.